Most people get this wrong and assume all cash advance apps are just quick free money with no strings attached. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Apps like Possible Finance are real financial products, and if you don't understand how they work, they can either help you in emergencies or cost you more than expected. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Possible Finance works in 2026, whether it is legit, how much you can borrow, and if it is actually worth using or something you should avoid completely. Let's break it down. Possible Finance is a short-term installment loan app. That means instead of giving you a small cash advance you repay in one paycheck, it gives you a loan you repay over multiple weeks. So if someone like Alex needs $200 for an emergency bill, he can borrow it and pay it back in smaller chunks instead of one large payment. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional banks, Possible Finance does not rely heavily on your credit score. That means even users with poor or limited credit history can often qualify. Instead, it looks at your income, bank activity, and repayment behavior. But here's the problem. Many users assume approval means cheap money. That is not always the case. Possible Finance charges fees that can feel similar to high interest depending on how long you take to repay. So while it is more flexible than payday loans, it is not free money. Loan amounts are also important to understand. Most first-time users do not get large amounts. You might start with something like $50 to $500 depending on your profile. So Jake expecting a big loan on day one will likely be disappointed. Another key detail is repayment. Instead of one lump sum, you repay in scheduled installments. That sounds easier, but if you miss payments, you can face additional fees and potential account restrictions. So, timing matters a lot. In a minute, imagine two users. One uses Possible Finance only for real emergencies and repays early. The other keeps borrowing repeatedly to cover everyday spending gaps. One stays in control of their finances, while the other slowly gets stuck in a cycle of repayment pressure. So is Possible Finance legit in 2026? Yes, it is a real and legitimate financial service. But whether it is worth it depends on how you use it. If you need short-term help and have a clear repayment plan, it can be useful. If you are looking for ongoing extra cash, it can become expensive quickly. To wrap it up, Possible Finance is not a scam. But it is not free money either. It is a structured loan tool designed for emergencies, not everyday spending. If this helped you, like the video, comment your experience with cash advance apps, and subscribe for more honest finance app breakdowns that keep things simple and clear.